Tripura Grameen Bank Annual Press Meet, TGB Headquarter Conference Hall.
ত্রিপুরা গ্রামীণ ব্যাংক 21 ডিসেম্বর 1976 বিশে সংস্থা জাকমানি ব্যাংক নি সেকেন্ড হোল্ডার अंखा भारत हापां 50%, पंजाब नेशनल बैंक 35%, त्रिपुरा हापां 15% और शालो बैंक नि दाल बिदाल कक रखनथि कक शालेमुं आजोग जाखा.
Extend my heartfelt gratitude to all of you, especially the member of the media, for your continued interest, support and commitment to transparency. Your presence today underscores the importance of an open communication between public institutions and the people they serve. I am pleased to inform you that Tripura Grameen Bank has continued to show resilience and sustainable growth during the financial year 24-25, despite the evolving economic challenges and global uncertainties. Let me now take you through some key performance from our performance last financial year. In the year 24-25, we have crossed total business figure of more than 14,000 crore. Our total business figure is, as on 31st March 2025, 14,085.14 crores, registering a business growth of 13.60% over the last financial year. If you see the total deposit of our bank as on 31st March, we have already crossed 10,000 crores figures, 10066 crores, reflecting the trust reposed in us by the people of Tripura, registering a growth rate of 14.38% over the previous financial year. In advances, we have crossed 4,000 crores. Our business figure in advances, total advances is 4019.14 crore, making a growth rate, YOY growth rate is 11.71% in advances. The bank posted a net profit of more than 100 crores in the last financial year 24-25. Total net profit is 104.91 crore against 27.92 crores of the previous financial year. That is, YOY growth in net profit was 275.75%. Our net NPA as on 31st March 2025 is 0%. Capital to risk weighted asset ratio is of Tripura Grameen Bank is 24.50%, well above the regulatory requirement of 9%. In operational and social achievement, we have continued to focus on priority sector lending, especially to agriculture, MSME and self-help groups, thereby contributing to the rural economy of Tripura. Through digital initiative, we have taken so many digital initiatives in the financial year 24-25. We have increased access and convenience for our customer via internet banking, mobile banking, QR code, WhatsApp, SMS banking. In Tripura Grameen Bank has already actively participated in government-sponsored schemes such as Swalamban, PM Vishwakarma, Pradhan Mantri Employment Generation Program, PM Shwanidhi, PM Shuryagari Yojana and various social security schemes and DBT schemes, disbursing benefit to lakhs of beneficiaries of Tripura. We have a mammoth branch network in the state. You all are aware that right now we are having 150 branches along with 12 ultra small branches and already deployed 476 business correspondents to serve remote and underserved areas. We have already onboarded self passbook updating machine at 7 locations across states. WhatsApp banking has already been implemented. In last year, we have already added in our fold banks on 2 more solar powered mobile ATM vans, that is TGV on wheels. We have achieved Champions Medal in Atal Pension Yojana Olympics 2024-25 campaign given by our PFRDA, Government of India. In Atal Pension Yojana, I just want to share you that if Atal Pension Yojana, from last 3 years we are continuously getting reward and recognition and award. In last financial year, our rank is second across country among all 43 states. In 19 regional Saras Fair, TGB has grabbed the first position award in the best departmental store category, stall category. Tripura Gramin Bank have always been more than just a financial institution. We are a partner in progress, committed to the holistic development of rural Tripura. Our employees are not just bankers, they are change agents working tirelessly to bring banking services to the doorstep of the last mile. Looking ahead, as we step into the new financial year, our priority remains clear. More digital transformation of rural banking, enhancing credit delivery to priority sectors, strengthening financial literacy and financial inclusions of our states, ensuring continued asset quality and profitability. We aim to contribute meaningfully to the vision of a self-reliant rural India in alignment with national priorities and the expectations of our valuable stakeholders. In conclusion, I take the opportunity to thank all our stakeholders, our customers, the Government of India, NABARD, RBI, Government of Tripura, our sponsor by Punjab National Bank, employees, and of course my dearest media fraternity of the state for your continued trust and cooperation. We assure you that Tripura Gramin Bank will continue to work with dedication, transparency and accountability as we strive to build a stronger, more inclusive rural financial ecosystem. Thank you all once again for joining us today. Thank you.
Bureau Report, Khumpoi.